I never talk about my gadgets in front of a camera, but yeah, I would like to share my experience regarding this Fuji film camera. It's a great tool for travel and any life documentation, daily life. It's very light and it can take up to 300 photos in a single charge. This is the lovely X100 series of the Fuji camera. So the lens is not interchangeable, so you cannot replace the lens. So coming from an X Pro 2, an XS10, then this came along. This has a lot of adjustment because it only has a 23 mm lens and it's a fixed lens of f2, and yep, it's a prime. I love this lens. It's an equivalent of a 35 mm lens, which I usually use on my Canon system. So this is an amazing camera. Well, coming from a full frame, this one is definitely the JPEG beast of a camera. Not only it takes good photos, but also very light, and it creates happy photos. I mean, every time when you look at the LCD, it makes you smile. Like, I don't know what happened to Fujifilm sensor, but it has magic, especially the film simulations. They are really good at it. That's why if you find something like this, very useful camera. And one of the best is it has the D-pad. So it has the default. The modern ones, the X100V6, no longer have the D-pad, and it's already touchscreen and too much technology in it. The IBIS. But for this one, it's enough for my needs, and you don't need the latest technology to unleash your creativity. Just a simple camera which is in your bag, which is you can carry around. Then X100 might be a thing to consider. Even the first generation, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Yep. But the fifth has the hype itself. But yeah, it's an amazing series. It's for travel, light, and everyday documentation. Amazing piece of tool for everyone. This is not a weathered sealed camera, so you cannot take it in the rain. But yeah, the hybrid viewfinder, you can fit it, just like that. And yeah, when I point this to people, people will think, "Oh, you're using a film." No, I'm using a digital camera, and it's such a good picture. Yep. And for the photos, I'll be sharing it with you guys. So this is just a camera additional to my bag. Very good and lucky to have this. This is one of my dream camera before. On my first generation, I would take that. But now it's in the sixth generation. Still fell in love when it's in your hand. Yeah, guys. So, smile. Yeah. Perfect camera for travel and documentaries. Especially if you have kids. So, small band, compact, but takes amazing photos with it. Plus, the film simulation are great. Okay. Yep. So that's the X100 series camera.